come up.
Hope? How the fuck does he know who I am? What's your real name? Who the fuck is this person? Like, who are you? Who the fuck are you?
Maybe it's the predator we're trying to catch.
Dude. Fucking NSA over here. Was that NSA, right?
Be like, do you talk to NASA, homie?
You work for NASA, homie? Do we know him or something?
Do we?
I don't know. Who the fuck is this guy? Who is this guy?
Oh.
He's a pilot. Lives 3 miles away. He's like, no, I'm a pilot.
Oh my God.
Who the fuck are you?
Then why don't you just fly the fuck out of here?
Fly the fuck out of here. You want to hang or not? How do we get out of here?
I was willing to give you my cat.
How do you get out of these? How do you get out?
Click the down thing.
Oh, the down thing. Got you.
Yeah.
You want to chill or what?
Oh, is that what he said?
Oh my God, how did you find me? Oh man, because he probably looked at my address and my business is on there. That was my business is associated with this address. I can't pull all that. I just can't pull all that.
Randall's going to fall off the wagon.
Yeah.
Like, let's go.
No, we're all fucked. Everybody's fucked. Not in a sexual way. No one's getting fucked sexually tonight. But you know what's going to be great is if I'm like, yeah, hold on 1 second. And then I go and I put my suit jacket on. I'm like, so what were your intentions with me? Oh yeah, we'll grab my glasses and stuff too.
You should really open the door and say, hold on, wait 1 second. And then I'll come up in the Borat suit.
Yeah, they're going to run away. Okay, yeah, go change. Go change now. Go change now. This is going to be great. This is going to be great, everybody.
Microphone. Like,
that is phenomenal. That is phenomenal. This motherfucker asked me if I was alone too. Like, dude, this Daniel guy's fucking. Are you alone or do you have roommates? Like, what?
I kind of with this sex out laying on this Borat thing. I'm kind of getting like a half chub right now.
Do not
like,
fuck our merch girl. Do not fuck our merch girl. What's going on? So we're gonna put this here. And we're gonna try to get him here, and then we get the camera shot somehow. I would love to get like a roundabout.
Do you want me to like?
Maybe you sit there, and then I'll get him here. I'll get him right here.
I was thinking though, but easier out is if we get him on the door.
Fuck, I'm so nervous right now.
What's going to be the keyword for me to pop out? That's the thing. What's the keyword?
You want some cookies? No, not that. No. What would it be? Fuck. Oh shit! What should it be?
We pissed off Jaws.
I don't know. What should it be? It should be like. This is so crazy, right?
Let me get us some ice for our drinks.
Let me get us something to drink.
Let me get us something to drink.
And then you come out.
It down because
Nice. Perfect. Well, keep looking and then give me a call in 2 seconds. You can't, but and I'll come out. All right. Bye. He's trying to find parking, and then it's on. 1629. Okay, it's fine. Hi. What's up? How are you? Nice to meet you. Good. Come inside. Hang out. It's done working.
Wow, you really do have everything in here, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
It's a little studio.
So are you like a model for like a magazine or are you like a movie or something?
I do like all of that.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
so
cool.
magazines, and then I do video stuff, and I do. Go sit down.
Cookies.
Go sit down. Yeah. Do you want some cookies? Sit by me.
I'm good. Okay, I'll sit by you.
Why don't you want some cookies? Eat them. They're good.
Okay, I'll have to have a cookie.
You have to have a cookie.
I have to have a cookie.
You have to have a cookie.
I do.
A seat there. Hungry? How does it taste?
Great. Wow. These are home baked?
Joe.
Yes.
From
it's
Kempton.
Nikki. From Kempton.
Mm-hmm. It's Nikki from Cali.
I
Yeah, look at JJ. He's cute.
Okay,
He
yeah.
comes with me. He's a buddy.
Uh-huh.
He's a buddy.
You got a talk show going on here too?
I kind of do.
You kind of do. I see the camera right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
What are you doing here today?
Is this some kind of setup or something?
I am here with you.
I know.
That is a nice leather jacket. I do like that. Yeah.
What did you think was going to happen to me?
I have no idea.
You want a drink?
I do kind of want to drink. This is why I'm here, right?
Yeah, just sit down. Relax. Relax. I got you.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I kind of want to have you be part of a little social experiment with stuff that I'm doing.
Okay.
You know what? Let me get some cups really fast.
Explain your social experiment. Hey, what's up?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. You?
Good.
I'm Joe.
Well, Joe, I'm Randall.
Randall, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up?
Not much.
Yeah.
Just wanted to see. What did you think we were going to do tonight?
Oh, well, I was hoping to drink and hang out with a girl.
You can hang out with a girl.
That's kind of what I was hoping to do.
My goodness.
Looks like there's a little more going on here than I see.
Possibly. Quite possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Joe, have you ever done this before, Joe?
I have not. I don't even know what's going on here.
No. Why don't you talk? Why don't you? Hang
Do
out
I gotta be in the
talk to me?
microwave?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mic'd up. Yeah, most definitely. So.
All right. What's the social experiment?
You seem pretty cool. I don't know. I just wanted to see how fast we could get a Tinder dude here.
What? No way.
A Tinder dude here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was almost immediately. It
Really?
was ridiculous. Yes.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right? So
I guess.
strange. So strange. And it's kind of like, is this more effective for creatives and people trying to have like something or even a good fuck?
I
not
guess.
sure.
I don't know. This is actually my first time using Tinder. So
Is it the first time using Tinder?
So this is the first time you've ever done something like this?
Well, yeah. This is my first time.
This is my first one. She's the first person I ever considered meeting.
I never done this. Like,
You know, I hear that from virtually every person who has walked into this house.
it is.
So crazy.
A little
It's the
bit.
first time seeing a girl too. It's so weird.
Not my
I
first time
feel-
seeing a girl.
Yeah, I meant like on Tinder.
Okay, on Tinder,
You know what I
yes.
mean? Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
it's your first time, right? Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
I'm sure you've seen girls before. Now. I mean, duh, of course. Here, let's see what we have going on. Let's see what we have going on. Yeah, it's my first time using Tinder too, by the way.
I was seriously the first guy.
I have 800.
I mean-
I have 836 man.
Yeah.
Tinder, dude, I can help you.
Yeah.
Is this
We'll give
you?
Tinder's points.
Joe, is
I
this
don't-
you? Is this you?
Yeah, that was me right
That one's you? I know, I know. You look different.
Well, it's a kind of an old photo. I don't
Is
take
it an
too
old
many
photo?
pictures.
I know.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm not a big photo guy.
No? Okay. Well, it's like we could take some here too. You see, I actually have a photography studio. It's not a problem.
You got plenty of stuff to take photos.
I kind of feel bad that we've trapped you here because I do not actually drink alcohol.
I
so.
used to smoke pot.
Hey, you want to smoke pot, man? I got pot.
Yeah.
He's got weed just to make it a little bit more comfortable.
Or
in
maybe
his-
some weed would be a little
I'll give
better.
you some weed.
Yeah, I mean, maybe put on some pants.
I mean, I kind of, it's kind of his look. Right?
Okay,
I don't know.
yeah.
Like, why don't you get more into frame, Randall? Why don't you come here? Why don't you come closer? Do you want, Randall, would you like some more? Yeah, there we go.
shut it
This
down.
is perfect. And you just really don't want a cookie?
I really don't want a cookie anymore.
You don't want a cookie anymore.
You know what? I don't want this cookie. I just want to get to the beat.
No,
You
I
don't
don't
want a cookie
anymore.
anymore? Why
No.
not? Do you want to hang out longer? So, Joe,
that's
so
more
are you
cookies
actually
for
from
me.
Kempton? How long do you plan on?
I'm probably going to be here for a little bit. It really depends. I'm fixing my mom's
Yeah.
dad's house, so I don't
Definitely.
really know how long I'm going to be here.
Do you have condoms?
Did you bring condoms today?
I always carry them on me.
Did you bring condoms with you?
always keep condoms with me.
I have them, yeah. I always carry them.
I just carry everywhere with me.
There's some in the car.
Just happened to be some in the glove box.
No, I always have condoms anywhere I go.
I do.
You do?
I do.
What were you going to use them?
Well, I always be prepared.
Always
Scout
be
motto.
prepared. Always be prepared is your motto, huh?
guess.
Yeah. Okay. You just always carry condoms. in
Not
general?
always, no.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Well, you've passed my serial killer test because there's like all these little Chris Hansen bits that I was gonna like
Okay.
put in, but
Yeah.
like that was a good call. That
That's
was a
good.
call.
Not a
That was
serial
good call.
killer.
I don't believe
Not a
this is your
serial
first
killer.
time. I don't believe it's your first time. I would know. I was like, this actually sounds like a sweet guy. I was like, but we are Tindering here, so fuck if I know, right? There's
Yeah.
one guy I think that definitely is a fucking psychopath.
I could
but
imagine
kinda-
there's some weirdos online.
Oh my god, I know. I was like, dude, do you work for the NSA or something? He actually found like
Why would he be on the NSA if
I
he's a
don't
weirdo?
know. He was fucking getting real creepy. with,
Leave it
like,
to the
his-
government to hire serial killers.
Yeah, I mean, Christ, they do what they do.
They do what they do.
Are you thirsty?
I'm fine.
Just enjoy.
I'm
you're
fine.
You're
I'm
fine.
fine.
Joe.
Make your
I know
thirsty
it. I'm like literally. I'm not trying to poison you. So, were you looking to fuck me?
Well, it seems like there's more than that going on. I don't even know. I looked at over there at the wrong time.
Yeah,
But-
I mean,
but
'cause Randall's ready.
yeah, I see.
Randall's ready to go.
I see. He's ready to go.
I know he's just been doing squats all day. It's ridiculous. So.
Yeah, yeah. This isn't my thing.
He
though.
got dressed up just for the occasion.
Oh,
This
of
is
course
not
he
your
did.
thing. Wow. You know, all of this is like not quite my thing, right? So, I'm just trying to understand the psychology of it. Like, how do you keep your fucking head together when you have to have like this many fucking like ridiculous conversations. You know what I mean? Like
Oh,
all of
it's
these,
terrible.
Like, it's
Terrible.
ridiculous.
Yeah, I've actually been using online dating for like usually I use like POF or Meet Me.
What's that about? What's plenty of fish?
It sucks. It's plenty of fish, but it sucks.
Yeah.
But, like I'm a homebody. I stay at home. I go to work and I come home. I don't like going to bars. I don't like big crowds.
Yeah.
It's just not my thing. I'm an introvert.
Right.
So I don't get a chance to go out and meet too many people.
Plus
and
COVID in general, but
plus COVID, that ridiculous
yeah,
shit.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's funny because I do media and I do production and video stuff, but I
Okay.
just like I can like meet people and be whatever. I'm so introvert though. Like
Yeah.
I literally I like hide away and I like edit and make my art and do my thing.
But you're kind of like a social chameleon. You're going to adapt to the people
but
you're around in a way.
Just to muster up the fucking energy to
It
talk to
sucks.
strangers.
It drains your battery.
It's the
It
worst.
drains my battery. I got to go home and like sit by myself for a little bit in a dark room, meditate.
I got this yellow suit. If you want to jump in this,
We can just continue to keep making it weird. Yeah, just keep adding to the ante. I'm so into yeah, you get in the yellow man suit and then we can just try one more.
All right, you know what? I'll play along with you guys. You guys are cool enough.
absolutely,
That's fun. You ever try Mountain Dew Voodoo?
no,
No,
dude,
that's
I've tried
cool.
so
What
many
flavor is
Mountain
that?
Dews.
What is that?
It's actually a Halloween one, and it's a mystery flavor. But since I actually sold the stuff, I know what the mystery flavor is.
It's like you get to lick the fucking pop food sucker.
like-
you know.
I
What is
do,
it?
yeah.
What is it?
Candy corn.
Candy corn.
Candy corn.
It's like
What
you
the
know.
fuck?
Oh, it's so
Candy
good.
corn drink. See, that's what's gonna make this viral. Like that's what's gonna.
Yeah, you know it is. And you know what's crazy? When I was selling it, like,
It isn't
They're
even
gonna come
us
and kill
today.
you now because you're under NDA.
I know.
Yeah.
So
here we
I've always
go.
had this get rich quick scheme with the kangaroo, right?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a camera all throughout my house, right? I have a
Yeah.
little sign so I don't get sued. Beware, there's a kangaroo. Teach them martial arts, and then invite someone to come steal shit out of my house.
Yeah.
And then have their get their
Okay,
ass
Joe.
kicked.
The security
Okay,
kangaroo.
Joe Exotic.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
I know,
Joe
I know. I've
Exotic.
thought about this for a very long time, and now I'm
You're
giving
like-
it out to the world so somebody else can try it.
You know what I mean?
But
It's like, could you just imagine like the level of a kangaroo with like nunchucks too? It's just like
Oh, yeah.
another level. It's just like,
there you go. Yeah.
Just gonna teach it a couple
Grandma's
foot things. Really?
Yeah, if you drink the blood of somebody who has it,
No
they're actually
way.
selling this stuff. You can
Yeah.
buy blood as an anti-aging
Yeah.
device right now on the market.
Oh
That's
my
an
God.
episode.
Oh, we're gonna figure that out. We can see if we can buy some blood. You come over for that?
Yeah, I'm up for
And
that.
we'll try to see if we can't black market that shit. Yeah.
Well, I don't think you have
Let's
to
do
black
that.
market it. I mean, I'm sure it's on the black market, but
Yeah.
you don't have to.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'll definitely have to get my VPN and my security going for in general. But no,
Little
let's do
bit.
that. I'm like, you're coming back. We're gonna figure out how we can't drink the blood of our enemies after we put them in a fear state. I'm just kidding, but we will. We don't have
I
to
was
be.
trying to find a way to respond to it, but nothing was coming
You're
to
like-
mind.
you're like-
She's clearly darker than I am, people.
Yes. Thinking about a perfect co-host here.
That was too good.
This is another episode of Afterthought with Hope Taylor. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Dating apps, catfishing, Tinders, whatnot. New friend Joe.
A little bit of
Joe.
everything.
A little bit of everything. All the feels. We feel all the
Joe.
feels here.
Don't forget to sponsor.
Yeah, sponsored. Let's get it done, guys. I'll take any CBD sponsorship at this point. I'm a thirsty bitch.
Very thirsty.
Nothing worse than a whore with morals.
Delicious. Yeah.
I'd imagine so.